My daily routine. Rupa, a housewife. Hello, my name is Rupa. I am a housewife. I want to tell you about my daily routine. My day starts at 6 a.m. I wake up early, then drink a glass of lukewarm water. I also exercise for 30 minutes. It's good for my health. After exercise, I make breakfast for my family. My kids go to school at 8 a.m. I pack their lunch and say goodbye to them. Then I do household work. I clean the house and do laundry. I make lunch for my family. After lunch, I relax for a bit. I read a book or watch TV. Sometimes I go grocery shopping. My kids come back from school at 3 p.m. We have snacks together. Then I help them with their homework. My husband also come back at 7 p.m. We have dinner together. After dinner, we spend time together. We watch TV or play games. At 9:30 p.m. I go to bed. That's my daily routine. I use simple vocabulary and sentence structure to making it easy for beginners and all housewives to understand easily. Now, let's talk about vocabulary from the above daily routine. Word meanings: wake up, उठना, exercise, व्यायाम, breakfast, नाश्ता, household work, घर के काम, laundry, कपड़े धोना, lunch, दोपहर का खाना, relax, आराम, grocery shopping, राशन सब्जी खरीदना, dinner, रात का खाना, family time, परिवार के साथ समय बिताना, बेड टाइम, सोने का समय. It's all about the today's video. I hope you learn something from this video. If you find this video useful, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.